Alright team, came back with the tape. This is the one that you need. It's not too much bigger than your finger tip. And it's this one, the 3M Auto Super Strength molding tape. Comes in this little circular. This should be enough to for this whole spoiler. Third time's the charm. Third time is the charm. Should have it up and running pretty soon. Don't get our faces in it. Are you recording? We gotta get it right on the edge. That's good, right? You have the razor blade?
That's your blade.
Awesome. We'll cut it off right here. That's right. We're gonna do this side. Right under this. There it is. You think this is enough?
Yeah.
So this is what the spoiler looks after the install. I think it came out pretty clean. Let's try to get it from a different angle. Looks pretty nice, I guess. Yeah, I think I did a pretty alright job. I want to give you guys a little bit of some tips. When you're putting on the 3M tape, try to get it as close to the edge as possible, but not so close to the edge that it'll overlap, kind of like how it did on this side. But you do want it very close to the edge. Maybe not directly on the edge, but very, very close. As close as you can get without going over. And I suggest, instead of putting the lip on from the bottom end down, I suggest that you put it top end first and then down on the bottom end. Because if you do it from the bottom end, it won't come out even from my experience, I guess, with this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There are some things that I didn't do. I didn't clean the trunk all the way because I had to do this 4 times, so I got kind of over just trying to clean it. So I did clean it a little bit, but it wasn't completely spotless when I installed it. So it does kind of flare up sometimes, but for the most part, it's pretty good on there. It's not moving. It's pretty firm. It shouldn't feel wobbly at all. It should feel very firm. Yeah, these are just some tips so you know what not to do, because I did it. I had to do it 4 times and I did almost everything wrong. So, but now it's on there good. I don't think it'll fly off. I did see a channel that had a pretty good demonstration of how to install this. I think I don't know how you pronounce it, Keys Motorsports or Kai's Motorsports. His channel did a pretty good show on how they installed the spoiler. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think about the spoiler. Does it look nice? Does it look ugly? Should I redo it for a 5th time? Let me know. Alright, peace out.